I think my passion for plant-based cooking probably started with my childhood. I was very lucky to grow up in New Zealand, where I was surrounded by amazing produce. We're going to pop that in the oven. So a good splash of oil, just strain it through a little sieve. For me, there's nothing more kind of magical than having something really fresh, and if that's being picked off a tree or just dug out of the ground. I think when things are out of season, you don't get the same intense flavour or deliciousness. Tip for keeping herbs, if you've just got a J cloth, it will keep them well. The shimmer. They start to go a little bit shiny. A vegetable dish can stand up to a meat or a fish dish. You know, we get really excited to be able to show our guests that actually it can be just as delicious. You're not going to leave hungry, you're not going to need that kebab on the way home. A good teaspoon of miso paste. Smells toasty, delicious, slightly aromatic. I think and I hope that vegetables are becoming more recognised for what they can be and what they can add to a meal.